This is me, it's Amorsolo, and I wanted to say sorry about my comments and my videos. Can you please forgive me? And so I want to give a free number account today, but I don't know what's going to suspend it today. But it's suspended. So the username is Grace55566, and the password is 998877766. So like and subscribe my videos and nobody's Amorsolo, my mom, who always remind me. So I wanted to say sorry about my comments. Disappointed. Some people are like, sorry, please forgive me. So I wanted to give it Grace5556, Grace55566. The password is 998877766. Can you please, if you say, comment if yes or no. If it doesn't, I will not continue the video right now. Bye.